Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this time I'm going to unbox my new exhaust from EVO for my Street Triple RS. So this one is, as you can see, this is LV1 EVO, it's a slip-on, and this is stainless steel. Just now I have received this and I thought of unboxing this and share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I've been waiting for this exhaust for last almost 3 months now. So let me just quickly go through the unboxing.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So guys, this is the box for EVO stainless steel for my Street Triple RS. This is the first time I'm opening this box. Okay, I think it is this way. Okay, yeah, got it. All right, yeah, great. So this is the box. This is the foam. Good packing, I would say. This is a small link pipe. So when I've ordered Yoshimura, it was pretty big link pipe. So it was close to this big, and it is a good quality. I'll open this later. Here are certain other stuff like I think with this tool you can pull the springs to attach the exhaust with the link pipe. Here is where the actual hook of the spring would go, and this is, I think, a warranty card. Nice. And some manual about the exhaust. This is the register your product. Yes, I'm going to register it once I have fully opened. This is the hanger. It's a sort of carbon fiber, you can see, right? This is a carbon fiber. Really has no weight as such. These are the tools and the screws and the hanger and whatnot with the exhaust. And yes, this is the actual muffler or exhaust, and it's quite heavy actually. I don't know, this was open, strange. Okay, maybe custom department have opened this as well. Okay, this looks pretty good actually. I don't know, this must be this is a heavy exhaust, I would say, heavier than my EVO. But I mean, EVO along with the link pipe and the muffler would weight similar to this part only. I'm not including anything from the link pipe or any other stuff. So yeah, this is the dB killer. I hope you can see it, and it looks a good quality product, I would say. I'm not sure how this got damaged. I'm not. See, this one is there is I don't know, it's a kind of a part of design, but this one it seemed to be damaged somehow. This is certainly not like this, so can't complain now. More or less the product is really nice. It looks good quality. Even this part is carbon fiber. It looks really great. It's kind of a matte finish. The good part is you can remove the DB killer with this Allen key. and you can install it whenever you want. So it's easy, easy setup here. If you want to remove it or install it, for Yoshimura it was quite a pain to reinstall it or remove it, so you had to remove the entire exhaust from the link pipe itself. So I think see, this looks really great. Okay, this is not I'm not sure whether it's printed or etched, but yeah, it looks kind of matte and it looks great, guys. Actually, I'm really excited to install this. Let's see what's there. Nothing else, just some more protection, because I think this is coming from the USA to Italy then to India. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this, and this is, as compared to Yoshimura, this is cheaper, maybe at least 30-35% cheaper to Yoshimura. This is a budget. This you can call this as a budget slip-on for street triple, but I heard it sounds really great, so I'm really excited to install and see how does it perform. And weight wise, I think this is going to be similar like Yoshimura. So this was it for this video. I'm going to shoot another video for the installation of this, and then of course there's going to be a good exhaust note shot on YouTube. I hope you like this video and found this informative. If you like it, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And I'm trying to create more content as and when possible. I know I'm not regular at YouTube, but I try to shoot videos as and when possible. So thanks for joining. I hope to see you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.